Since I did an updated video on my tools pouch, let's cover this one as well in full detail. So this is specifically made as my hiking survival / mini backup pouch, hence why I settled for the Maxpedition mini format. As you can see, it's quite jam-packed and it's still easy to carry thanks to that hand strap at the back. So in the front mesh pocket I keep this mini whistle for easy access. The main change comes from the multi-tool choice. I started with the Leatherman signal in the previous videos, then the Mod, and now I settled for the Victorinox work jump. To me this has a near perfect toolset and layout. I cover this separately if interested. My main light source is the Uban L3, which is also my power bank thanks to the big 21700 mAh battery and its 18 watts fast charging capability. Truly a versatile 2-in-1 example. Then inside the Maxpedition brand tag I loop the USB cable for easy access. Now in the inside pocket I keep this Dyneema wallet, which holds my mini boo-boo kit per se and a signaling mirror. Now for the right side. A water filter type from Hydro Blue that even has a modular cold filter system. Then a big fire steel rod with some paracord attached to it. For quick maintenance tasks, this combo tool from Exotac called the Rip Spool. It's basically tape, some thread and a place to safely store a sewing needle. Very fancy, but unfortunately it's a very expensive item now. A backup fire starting method with a sealed Maratac XL peanut lighter. From my tests it keeps fuel fresh for like 2 to 3 months. Then a McArmy brass liquid free compass, which I attached to this loop from the pouch. Some feet of paracord, and finally an emergency thermal blanket in the right pocket. And that's it.